That's what's stopping us from hitting higher acceleration speeds. They gotta go.
Well, that didn't work.
Doing some digging and I found something pretty interesting. So I shut it off. And voila. Big printer, I want a big print. You know what I'm saying? So I went into this thing thinking I could drastically improve the speed and quality with just a clipper tune, as per usual. I was able to reach maybe 3,000 acceleration before it started skipping like crazy. So I went ahead and did the old-fashioned resonance compensation, and I made it to about 4,000 acceleration. Skipping. You know what that means. Linear guides for the y-axis. After doing linear guides on the y-axis, I reran the tuning tower and basically the same result. We top out at about 4,000 acceleration, which is unacceptable. The Ender 5 Plus with the stock Cartesian design is just doomed to run slow forever. So I did some digging and I found out that our Big Tree Tech SKR mini board has something called Stealth Chop. So I shut it off, reran the tuning tower, and voila! We safely made it to 8,000 acceleration. Did a little clipper tuning and we got ourselves a fully functional machine. This part looks phenomenal, especially compared to something like this. So what the heck is Stealth Chop? Well, Stealth Chop is essentially a way in which the motors are controlled so that they're more quiet. If you shut it off, it reverts to something called spread cycle. Spread cycle is controlling the current to the motor, and apparently it's far more precise. I think it's time to print off something big.